Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off TikTok notifications. So for that you just need to open the application and log into your account. Just come to the profile section, and sometimes it's very annoying of seeing multiple notification from TikTok. So for that, if you want to turn off all the notification or specific notification, for that you just need to follow some easy steps, so I'm showing here. So for that you just need to click on your profile section and come to and click on these three horizontal lines. So click here and now click on the settings and privacy option, and now you can see multiple option here, but you have seen the specific option is notification. So just click on here and now you can see multiple option here. So now you can click and turn off any notification which is not relevant to you, and now you can turn off the notification here. Just click on that button, and that's how you can turn off every notification here. So you just click on what notification you have to turn off that is irritating you, and even you can turn off the indirect message preview notification. So you can turn off everything here and manage your all the notification in the single tap. So that's how you can do it. So that's for the video, and if you found this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.